tasks. You have been given a spreadsheet showing details of the planned dance classes and existing bookings. So you need to download the file and make some changes. Alright. Use the formula to calculate the percentage. You are given the formula. The percentage reservation. The percentage reservation is calculated by numbers reserved spaces divided by maximum places. Use a formula to display the word promote if the percentage reservation is 50% or less. This is very easy one because you have a database on this sample. The spreadsheet seems to be easy. Insert a row above the data and add the heading Class Reservation List. Merge and center the headings. Insert today's date in the footer. Filter and save the spreadsheet to show only the classes to promote. Aha. Change the page layout to landscape. So there is a simple if statement and also filtering with these tasks. Let's download it. Let's save time. Let's get, you need to make sure you read everything properly. I'll copy the file, or maybe open it and then save it into the right place. It is class reservation list, so we will save it first into the right folder. If you don't save it in the folder, you are going to lose it, and you may not be able to get mark for your work. So always make sure you save as soon as you know what name you should save it with. From the question paper, we know it is class reservation list. Create a folder called spreadsheet. Class reservation lists, and we are told to use for the headings, prefer to make them big, highlighted the columns, resize the columns, we are told to insert a row, and we are told to center it, so we can center it, merge and center, and we are going to type the heading given to us, class reservation list. So it does say insert a row above the data and add the heading class reservation list. So I'm going to class reservation lists. Right, class reservation list is there. That's the heading, and the percentage reservation need to be calculated using this formula, which is number reserved spaces divided by maximum places, which is number reserved spaces divided by maximum places. We will change that into a percentage by changing the format here. Easy way to change the format. The long way of changing format would be going to format cells, and changing to percentage as well. Okay, and then we will copy the formula down by, if we click on it, the cell you want to copy. Do you see that cross sign on the bottom right? Once you see that, you click down and you move the mouse to the other cells, so the formula is copied to the other cells. Alright, so we are then told use a formula to display the word promote if the percentage reservation is 50% or less. Okay, let's create a column. Promote, we are asking if we are going to promote or not. I would put it like this with a question mark. and we are using if function, so we click on fx, and if we select promote if the reservation is 50% or less or equal to 50%, or the best way of writing would be 0.5, which is same as 50%. If it is less than 50%, it needs to be promoted, so we say promote. If it is if value if true, if the value false is don't promote. So that is the formula for the if function. Once I get it right, what I do is, if it's 100% reservation, you don't need to promote because you are fully reserved. Okay, so we have got that, and then it asks us, it says filter and save the spreadsheet to show only the class to promote. To do filtering, you select data, filter, and remove the select all and select only promote. So this is, file save as. You save this spreadsheet as maybe perhaps promote list. And the earlier version without filtering, you must have saved it class reservation list, but what I saved was but it is a class it is class reservation list with promote, and you need to upload the spreadsheet as required using this button. Use the blue button to upload, the green button always to download the required information. That was what was downloaded. Anyway, this is a very easy one. You got the file. Once you get the file, you had to calculate the percentage reservation by dividing the number of reserved spaces by maximum places. It needs to be formatted to percentage, and once you get that, you decide which ones to promote using the if functions. And also you used data filter to apply filtering. So this is a simple one, but sometimes some of the spreadsheets could be hard, so you really need to practice. The spreadsheet marks are quite high, so if you really want to pass, you need to master spreadsheets, mail merge, database, plus all the other simple tasks. Aim for 100% achievement. Thank you, Jakob.